Pot stickers are pan-fried dumplings, or guotie. They're like the dumplings you eat at a dim sum restaurant, but instead of steaming or boiling them, you fry pot stickers on a flat pan to make them crispy. Make sure you use wrappers that are thin. This way you can taste the juice from the pork once you bite into the dumpling. Most pot stickers use pork, but you can also cook with shrimp, beef, chicken, and fish. It comes down to how meaty you'd like your pot stickers to taste. Shrimp gives the pork filling an extra umami punch. Adding heated oil brings out the scallion flavor and keeps the meat juicy. You can buy the dumpling wrappers from your local grocery store or make your own. If it's the first time wrapping dumplings, just use less pork and keep practicing until you get the hang of it. You can have fun and make different types of pot stickers, like this rose-shaped dumpling. Making pot stickers is something you can do with your friends and family. Add water so that the dumplings stay moist. As the water evaporates, the oil that's left in the pan will make the dumplings crispy. Dip the pot stickers in vinegar and chili when you eat them. It'll taste less greasy.